Hi everyone. Today I'll walk you through the concept of swarm agent using a demo project. LangGraph Swarm agent represent a paradigm shift on how we design and deploy intelligent systems by enabling multi-agent collaboration through decentralized context-aware handoffs. Swarm empowers agents to work together like a hive mind, each with specialized skills, shared memory, and the autonomy to decide when to act or delegate. Whether you are building a research assistant or an autonomous coding team or a customized support swarm, LangGraph Swarm provides the scaffolding for scalable, intelligent, and collaborative agent ecosystems. In this system, we are using LangGraph Swarm framework, which allows multiple specialized AI agents to collaborate just like a real-world team would. You can think of it as a small company chatbots, each with a clear role, personality, and area of expertise. If you look at the diagram, you will notice three main agents connected in a loop. Tony, the pizza chef agent, who handles all the pizza related tasks like showing the menu and taking orders. Bella, the pet buddy agent, who manages the pet adoption and introduces users to our adorable animals. Charlie, the concierge agent, who takes care of everything else, whether math, jokes, or general questions. At the top left, we have start node, which initializes the swarm. From there, users' messages are routed dynamically to whichever agent it best suited. Now, the beauty of LangGraph Swarm lies in how these agents can hand off conversations. For instance, if a user asks Bella, the pet buddy, about a pizza, it doesn't try to answer. She hands over the query to Tony, the pizza chef, automatically using a special handoff tool. This is what we call agent collaboration, a seamless back and forth between agents while maintaining context. We build everything in one Python script, a tiny in memory database that stores pizzas, pets, and orders. Several small tool functions check menu, place order, show pets, adopt pet, get weather, math, jokes. Three agent Tony, Bella, Charlie, each with their own tools and personality. A swarm that ties agent together and handles handoff. A Streamlit UI so anyone can chat with the agent in a simple web app. You will need a Python installed, an OpenAI API key, and a Tavily API key. At the top, we import libraries like Streamlit for the UI and Chat OpenAI for the model. We load environment variables with .env. That is where your OpenAI API key and the Tavily API key are imported. Next comes the demo.data, a small Python dictionary helping pizzas, pets, orders, and customers. This is a temporary store that lives in memory while the app runs. We use it so the demo is self contained and easy to follow. We define small helper functions decorated with tool. Each does one job: check pizza menu, list available pizzas, order pizza, creates an order and appends it to the demo data. Check available pets, lists adoptable pets. Adopt pet, marks a pet as adopted. Get weather info, tries live weather via Tavily. Calculate simple math, evaluates a simple math expression safely. Tell joke, returns a pizza or pet theme joke. Each tool is small and focused that makes it easy to understand and test. We then build three agents using create react agent. For each agent, we give a prompt, a short personality, and instructions. For example, you are Tony, the pizza chef. A list of tools they can use. Tony gets a check pizza menu, order pizza. Bella gets check available pets and adopt pet. Charlie gets weather, math, and joke tools. Each agent also gets handoff tools that let it transfer a conversation to a colleague if the request is outside its role. We call create swarm with all agents and set a default active agent, Charlie the concierge. The swarm compiles into an app object that can be invoked with user messages. This app is responsible for routing messages, running tools, managing handoffs between agents. It is the orchestrator, like a manager, making sure customers are served by the right person. The script builds a simple Streamlit user interface, a sidebar showing the menu, pets, and recent orders, an example prompt buttons, a chat area where user types messages, see responses labeled with the agent name and emojis. When a user sends a message, the UI calls app.invoke. The swarm decides which agent answers, and the response is shown in the chat. Alright, let's see this multi-agent system in action. I'm going to ask a series of questions that will showcase how these agents will work together and hand off tasks seamlessly. Let's start simple. Show me your pizza menu. Great. Tony, the pizza chef, jumped right in. Look at the beautiful menu with all the ingredients and prices. Now, let's place an order. I would like to order two pepperoni paradise pizzas for Alice. Perfect. Tony processed the order, generated an order ID, calculated the total, and even gave us an estimated delivery time. Now, let's switch gear completely. What pet do you have available for adoption? And there is the handoff. Tony automatically transferred us to Bella, the pet buddy. She's showing us all the adorable pets available. Look at the personalities. Let's adopt one. I want to adopt Whiskers the cat. Awesome. Bella handled the adoption, gave us an adoption ID and a congratulations message. Now for something completely different. What's the weather like Chennai? Another smooth handoff. Charlie the concierge took over because weather isn't about pizza or pets. He's using the Tavily API to fetch the live weather data. This shows how agents know their boundaries and transfer appropriately. Let's test another skill. Calculate the total if I order pizzas at 59.99 each. Nice. Charlie still helping us with the math. He calculated that instantly. 3 times 15.99 equals 47.97. These agents are true multitaskers within their domains. And finally, because we all need a laugh, tell a joke. Ha, Charlie got jokes too. This shows the personality you have built into these agents. They are not just transactional, they are engaging and fun. If you want to extend the project, replace the in memory store with a simple database like SQLite. Add more agents like delivery driver, payments, reviews. Customize agent personalities and prompts. Small changes like view UX differences. If you like this demo and want a full code walkthrough or step-by-step deployment guide, please hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment telling me which feature you want next, pizza, pet, or both. Thanks for watching. Try the code, tinker with the agents, have fun. AI teamwork is more creative than scary. See you in the next video.